Heart murmur is a sound that we hear when we listen to your heart. It can be a whooshing sound or a swishing sound. It can sometimes indicate a problem with the heart, and oftentimes it can be an innocent finding. We should be concerned about a heart murmur if it's associated with a valve that's not working well, and especially if it's causing symptoms. Symptoms such as dizziness, feelings of faintness, passing out, chest pain, or trouble breathing. When the heart murmur is associated with a structural problem in the heart, like a bad valve, a hole in the heart, then we can offer treatment options such as surgery to help correct that murmur and avoid long-term problems to the person's health. Our team, our doctors, our nurses, our staff are so committed to taking care of your heart and helping you take care of it. We have a wide range of talents and skills to help people stay as healthy as they can.